The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I know, Tuesday. Tuesday, Monday. Same thing, it all runs together. We have Powell speaking in less than half an hour, I believe. It says tentative on the calendar. So I'm not sure exactly when he starts speaking, but be advised, red alert on that. Give me a second here while I try to, what the heck? There. I scrunch my couple of my screens here. There we go. Okay, boom. And we're off. No one chatting it this morning. Wake up, people. I gotta be awake, you gotta be awake. There we go. Okay, so let's look at the market. So overnight, shall we? It's been, I guess, because we're waiting for Powell, it's been kind of like nothing exciting here. There we go. Looks like our high on ES was 40.64 half, and our low 40.51 quarter. So only about what 13 points in range. And Q low 312, high 381. Wow, that is a small range. About 70 points, less than 70. Copper, about 140 ticks in range. Gold, oops, I missed a little bit on that yellow line. Fallen, made a new low since I moved that yellow line. About 14 points in range. Ultra bond, about a point and a half. Crude oil been falling back under 80, a little over a point in range. And natural gas, try to do a little rising up there, the 140 ticks of range. Bitcoin hanging around 22.4. We are ready to rock and roll. Huh. Yeah, that's what originally I thought it was, and then Financial Juice changed it to 7:30. So I'm not sure exactly, or 8:30, sorry, 8:30 Eastern. So I'm confused at when that happens. Let's see if I can, let me look at here. Let's Google it. When is Powell speaking today? Yeah. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so yeah. Forex Factory is right. Financial Juice is wrong. Let me change that on my little thingy there. Thank you, Pamela. Let's edit. No, I don't want to edit that. I want to edit this one. Let's change that to 8, 9. No, not 805. 859. No. What the heck? I can't change it. Fine. We'll do 9 o'clock. There. Fine. Good. Anyway, there. There we go. Okay, so my little thing up top there should be correct now. Of course, he's probably going to start speaking at like some random time, and that doesn't matter. Okay, so now let's look at some markets here. The market to market. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, IMAD. Okay, so let's start looking at the markets, shall we? Nice move up here. Huh? We're probably going to be choppy this morning because of the whole PAL thing. Like I said, we had barely any range overnight. I'm hanging in there. Excuse me a second. We're just kind of watching here. There's ES. So we blew the fast track yesterday. So we're gonna focus today on the 50K for the for ETF and go from there. Now, some big news in the prop firm world. Last night, Apex Trader Funding announced they now have Tradovate as an option. Now, unfortunately, that you can't. Originally, when everybody was talking about getting Tradovate, it was announced that you'll be able to go back and forth between NinjaTrader, Tradovate, and TradingView, and that's not the case. You either need to pick NinjaTrader or Tradovate apparently at the start when you get your account. And if you pick Tradovate, then you can't use the trade copier, etc. So, and the Tradovate accounts look like they cost $20 more than the NinjaTrader accounts. I think this might be for Apex's first major slip up if they continue that practice, because nobody else that has both Tradovate and Tradovate and NinjaTrader are charging more for their Tradovate accounts that I'm aware of. ETF, well, yeah, ETF doesn't. Uh, Trade Day doesn't. I don't think Take Profit does. Take Profit Trader, I haven't looked at them, but I don't think they do either. Good morning, Juan. We're watching the markets here. Powell in a couple hours, or a little less than a couple hours. Markets are going to be choppy. Everyone should be careful today. Lots of care needed. EV opens up in a few. Little pull back there. Morning, Robin. How you doing today? I'm doing all right, thank you. My binaural rates. Yes, pulling back. And Q pulling back. Choppy, choppy, choppy. Which is probably going to be the name of the game here. Could be a very boring morning. Good morning, Crypticon. Welcome. I do want to thank everybody that supported me by watching that fast track series. I mean, I'm glad it was only 10 days to begin with, and because I wasn't sure how many more race car analogies I was gonna be able to come up with. But it was fun to do. The fast track in itself is probably not a healthy account to even try. And like I said, I got it so I could get the resets on the 50Ks to use it in a later time or other Elite Trader funding accounts, and then decided to try to have some fun with it. But they say with trading it's a marathon, not a sprint. But the Elite Trader fundings make it into a sprint, and it's constantly on your mind. You only have X amount of days to do this, so in that way, it might not be the absolute best thing. But we might do another one in the future. Maybe on something fun and weird. Obviously it's got to be when I have extra money. I'm not gonna just start tossing money away I don't have to spend. But maybe I'll do it like on soybean oil next time. Crypticon, Jerome Powell is speaking today before Congress, tentatively scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 9 o'clock our time. And other than that, we have a small news event at the same time, which is U.S. wholesale inventories month over month. Also today, remember that today is the last day for the Apex flash sale. I'm wondering with the fact that they've released Tradovate now, if they're going to extend that. As the candles form, so are the days of our lives. Because of Powell speaking later, we might see boring price action. As I've said, you can see it's been boring overnight. We've barely moved. We've got to go for little scalps here, I think. Like here, this would have been a good quick not even 5 points. Holy crap, that's only moving 48 to 52. Yeah, it's got to be real quick. I mean, that would have been a good one there, or this one would have got me just barely 5. Yeah, we're gonna have to scalp even lower than 5 maybe. We'll see. That bell will probably pick it up some, but right now the market's not moving at all. Not at all. Let's see what gold's doing. See if gold's doing it. Ooh, gold's falling. Not afraid of falling. Yeah, gold's made some decent moves. All. Let's check all. Black gold. Texas tea. Well, the first thing you know, old Jed's a millionaire. Oh, sorry. Ah, that was a beautiful move down there on crude. And by beautiful, those are only 1 or 2 tick candles, so even that's not really moving much. Good morning, JC. This could be a sleeper of a morning. According to... Yeah, that's what Financial Juice has, I'm at, but Forex Factory has 10. Originally, Financial Juice had 10. And when I looked it up on the actual Fed website, it said 10 Eastern. You know, FederalReserve.gov says 10 a.m. Eastern testimony. You can watch it live. So for some reason, Financial Juice has it wrong. I'm not sure why. Unless they got word something totally different. Hey, Mr. G. Yeah, I've started an extra half hour later. It's at 8 a.m. instead of 7:30. Gives me a little bit more time in the morning to wake up. Before I was waking up, and a half an hour later I was live. So I give myself an extra half hour. Hey, Dimitri, welcome. Morning, Linux. I don't recognize your name, Dimitri. If you're new, welcome. Even if you're not new, welcome. Gee, my egg prices have dropped significantly. I'm not even, really upset about their prices at this point. I mean, obviously, I like to see them drop back down to the levels they were, but I doubt that. Cool. I'm glad you're here, Dimitri. Choppy, choppy, chop, chop, chop. I need to get a chop animation for the stream. Yeah, sports betting is all the rage now. That was a nice move up there. Oh, did I miss something? Oh, I missed something. Wow. Boom. 17 ticks up, pulled back by about 3 ticks there. Wow. That was nice. So I wonder where that came from. Indices are doing nothing, bonds explode. Oh, crap. Went right back down on NQ. Back down to the EMA again. So up, down, up, down. Like it's doing burpees. Back down to the 100. Oops. Bounced off the 100 here, basically. Let's see what it does now. See, we're getting higher lows. Let's do something I don't usually do. Draw this little trend line. Wow, that's almost perfect. I don't do trend lines, but that's almost perfect. Broke the trend line. Anytime I put a line on a chart, no matter what the line is, it breaks it within like a minute. Do want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. First half hour into the stream. You expect to enjoy the stream, or you are enjoying the stream, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. We're up over 1,300 subscribers now. And the YouTube algorithm picked up my Blue Sky interview. Has the most views of any video I've ever done. Sitting at 1,783. Most I've ever had. I've never hit 1,000 on any one video before. So came down and now pushing down below that 100. It's got some oomph to it. Little oomph. Little oomph. The Philippines were rocked by two strong earthquakes. There are a couple people that visit the stream occasionally from the Philippines. Hope they're okay. I know that's pretty spread out. Let's see. Financial Juice is counting down to the Fed Powell speech that they say starting now, but everyone else says it starts at 10 Eastern. Not feeling good. It's right back up. Bullring. What's the Ultra Bond doing? Oh, Wow. Bond came right back down. Gave it all back. Crude still falling. I'm yawning. And again, look at this. Up, down, up. And these are small candles. These are only 1 and 2 point candles. Our ATR is under 4. We're going to need to find something else to do. Because trading is just not looking like it's going to be a thing today. Oh, God. That's a nice rise up. Wish I would have trusted that one. 6J. I don't remember you doing 6J before. So slightly higher highs, doom, 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 but no longer slightly lower highs. And we're just all over the place. I don't know. Maybe I should, every time it goes above, maybe I should shoot for 3 points. It's kind of pathetic, but pulls back. Nice, JC. And back up. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Get excited. And right back up. So Powell's also testifying tomorrow. So I don't know if we're going to have to deal with this for 2 straight days. I don't know if he's going to say anything different tomorrow. He's testifying in front of two different congressional committees, one today, one tomorrow. So I don't think he's going to say anything different tomorrow than he is today. Definitely not getting anything here I want to take. Good morning, Sid. Yep, metals, whoa, really lower. Whoosh. Gold seems to be the star of the morning, actually. Six-J chart. Good luck on that. Oh, sorry to hear she's sick, Sid. Hopefully nothing serious. Someone needs to take the market out back because it's like absolutely just doing nothing fun. All I want to do is have some fun. Back down to that 100 EMA. I'm not, I don't know if I should trust to even try. Nice. 35.10. Cool, so you're close. Market is so slow. Right back up. Big bounce back. Wow, that's actually a 5-point candle. Nice job, JC. So we're about 45 minutes from the bell. 15 minutes from the energies markets opening. See, right back down, just gave back that whole almost that whole candle. This is, obviously the market has a liberal return policy. So while the market's doing nothing, I'm going to quickly answer an email. Yeah, possibly a push down here. Not really. Looked exciting for a second, but nope. There's no trades to be had here. I mean, we're rangy. I mean, if we want to try and, play the the tops and bottoms, I guess. That's the top and the bottom of our current range. It's a 15-point range. I mean, I don't know. It'd be hard for me to. I'm not much of a range trader like that. I'm not real good at it. Ah, there we go. Now that was I mean, that was an interesting little quick bearish engulfing there. We're toward the bottom of that range for that line I just drew. See, I told you if I draw a line, it breaks within a minute. So it's only a 3-point candle. Hey, Speed Racer. Popping right back up. JP, welcome. I see you subscribed a few minutes ago. If you're still here, welcome to the stream. Feel free to introduce yourself if you feel like it. No pressure. Morning, Ace. Cash out. Yep, there's a move down. So it looks like we're trying to push down here now. We'll get rid of the line. You got your trash out, Ace? So we finally got a little bit of a, I mean, I can't call it really a breakdown, but it's gotten a bit lower. Just a pseudo market. Watching and waiting for something, for something. I kind of figured this morning was going to be like this. So maybe, I mean, this would have been a decent opportunity. That's about it, really, for my strategy. Buddy, please wake me up when the market starts moving. Wake me up before you go. Wow, Ace, how long did it take you to type that out so it was correct? So now we're choppy at a lower level. Pushing down, down, down. There we go. There was a break toward down, down, down. How many different ways can I say down? Yeah, it does kind of seem like that, JC. But I'm not trusting, I don't want to trust taking anything at this point in time. So we're down to 12,341 here, 12,340. Wow, there's a big move at the top of the hour. Biggest candle we've seen in a while. All 5 and maybe 6 points. Still pushing down. So shorts are direction now. See, we're down to this level here. Is that a low a day? Just about low a day. Low a day on NQ. 312. We're at 329. We broke below the support from these two candles. Sitting on the dock. So it was a nice quick move there. About 15 points down the last 4 minutes. Falling toward the lows of day. Tired. Wow, Nightbot just went all crazy all of a sudden. Yeah, remember today is the last day for that Apex flash sale. Unless they extend it now because of Tradovate. Quick pop up there on Ultra Bond. That depends on personal preference, really, Karib. NinjaTrader is much better with automated trade management, setting up, trailing stops and different targets, things like that. Um, Tradovate was good for the fact that, with Ninja you was only on Windows, and where Tradovate was web based. Now Ninja's brought out web based, but I'm not sure you can use it with Rhythmic yet. I'm trying to figure all that out. Tradovate works with Trading View, so when I take a trade on Tradovate, you can actually see it on my Trading View screen. And since I chart on Trading View, I prefer that. Um, So it's really kind of personal preference. And Tradovate uses the CQG connection instead of Rhythmic. And Rhythmic, Rhythmic's had its issues. It's had less issues lately. Ever since Apex got their own server, I think it took a load off the regular paper trading server. So it's really personal preference. I would try out both and see which one you like better. How big do you want, JC? I have a 70% off code. Oh. I don't know. I've never. Well, I don't remember what they. I guess they did 90. Did they do 90 over Christmas once? I don't remember. I remember they did something that was close to Apex. Thank you, JC. I appreciate that. ES trying to pull back. Did I say Apex? Trying to pull back. NQ pulling back. And we're actually going to take a trade. Let's see if this goes anywhere. It's a 5x5. 5-point stop, 5-point target. Got in slightly late. 33. This candle ended up at 34. Only about a point. Let's see if it continues down for me. It may not. Just trying to climb back up. There we go. There we go. Come on down. My target's right there at the toward the low of that move there. So let's see if it gets back down there. There we go. Target hit. There's our first winner of the day. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Thank you, JC. Wow. It only went one tick further than my target and bounced back up. A little bit of luck there. Might be coming back down though. Yeah, there it goes. Okay, so not as much luck as I originally thought. One second. About 20 minutes to the bell. Happy that we got one win in. Could have got a second one. Yeah, could have got one here, and the market it lulled me to sleep. So we got this one. Now we're heading back up. So 1 for 1 this morning. Hopefully we can build on that. Just trying to come right back down. Nope. Let's see. Ultra Bond all wonky. Copper sideways. Crude oil's trying to bounce a little bit. Came up off of its open. How's everyone else doing out there? Are we staying awake? Up, 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 down. Up, 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 down. Up. 5.5 down. Trying to get down. You can see here we're again trying to break through this support. Still not quite a low day. Low day was the first candle, 312. We're about 15 points above. And rushing down. Trying to get down. Get down tonight. Green candle, back up. Wake up, jump out the bed. They should have PAL speak at like 3 in the morning. That way it doesn't affect our actual trading time. But someone remind me next year when this comes up that I can sleep in these 2 days. I have looked at that. I've often said that if I could decide to my schedule totally where I didn't have to do stuff during the day, I would probably sleep during the day and trade at night and in the morning. Although I'm not sure if it was much better today. Let's go look at the Europe Open. Doop, 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 doop. Turn back time. Turn back too much time. Europe Open. Choppy. Choppy. Nice move up though. Doop, doop. That would have been a good one right there. Could have got 5 there. Dipped. Up, dipped. Second up. There we go. That was a couple of nice moves there. Up to 12, 333. Sniffing its 20. It's a 20 sniffer. I want to thank everyone for being here this morning. Feel free to join the conversation since there's not a lot going on. I mean, you should always feel free to join the conversation. Questions and comments are always welcome. Hitting that like button is also always welcome. Trying to come back down here. Oh, big push down. That's a trigger candle, but it's kind of bigger. It's gotten down to new lows. Don't know if I want to trust that one. Do I see who buys them? I don't think it gives me much information. Let me look at the stats. I'm pretty sure it gives me like no information. No, doesn't tell me anything besides the source of the click that leads to a sale. Why did you want to know? So now in Earn to Trade, I see everything. I see the email address and everything. Oh, nope, I can't do that on. Can't do that on Ball and Ox or most of them. You profit and earn a trade. I can see everything. I can see email address. I can see when people buying what they're buying, whether it's a reset or an account. Um, Blue Sky, I can see. I can't see anything I can email. I can't see anything that identifies the person besides their customer number. But I can see like if the same customer resets like 6 times. But I don't have any clue who it is. stretching. So watching here, we're close to the bell, about 5 minutes away. About 35 minutes away from Powell testifying. Oh, there's a pullback. Ultra bond sending a signal. Yeah, trying to continue down there. That's a nice, right here, that would have been a good entry on the ultra bond. Beautiful, actually. Gotta put more alerts on the bond. And Q, try to get back down. Trying to push down here before the bell. Pow, pow, pow. Made this morning boring. Move back down. We're getting ready for the bell in this 100 seconds. Good morning, John. Good morning, John. How's it going today? On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road again. Got 5 seconds to go here before the bell. Ding 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 ding. Pushing down. Limit low day at NQ's 312. I think ES just hit a new low day. Let me look. Yeah, ES is at its low day. NQ's just about there. Still nothing exciting so far. Though it looks like it wants to push down. Nice, John. Good job. Big move down there on the ultra bond. Well, no, it's big move on the 15-minute. Duh. You can see how much it's moved down. Three 312's the low of the day, or low Globe X, and got down there. Has not yet broken it. ES is making new lows. Oop, bounce there on NQ though. Ooh, big bounce. Big move back up. Nice move up. Strong move up. Could have went for a 5-pointer there. Off that bullish engulfing signal on the NQ. Pal now in about 35 minutes. Pulling back here. Sniffed that 100 EMA and pulled back, but now we're seeing another climb right back up. touched that 100 and bounced. Indecisive here, around 12,338. Good morning, RJ. Good to see you. How was your week? Glad to hear that. So it got back up to almost 12,350. Pulled back here. The market's still kind of indecisive. I mean, this is a nice move up here. Got down to 313, popped all the way back up to 352. So 40-point pop. Say what you pop, you can't stop. Taking a long here, call it a hunch. My hunch isn't working. I'm out. I got two ticks there. I'll take it. Up, I should have stuck with that hunch. Darn it. Beautiful rise up here. So from 313 all the way up to 361, so almost 50 points. Pushing back down. So I got in at 52. It did go up to 61. I would have got my 5 points that I was looking for there. Instead, I got 2 ticks. Close enough. I was muted. Did not even realize that. Apologize. Uh, Choppy at a higher level right now. Just trying to push up though. Back down. Ultra Bond continues to fall. Up. And Q hitting its 100 and its 20 at the same time. Yes, interesting here. 2 candles ago, that would have worked. It's scary, but it would have worked. Yeah, that's a big if there, JC. Up. Bullish engulfing here on NQ. Got my finger on the trigger. Some traders wonder why about trading NQ. It's do or die. Oh, right back down. There. right back up. Up, down, left, right. Everybody look what's going right. Nice move here. 10-point candle. Good morning, Leo. I'm really late on that. I shouldn't even taken it. Yeah, it's coming back down. Let's see what happens. Worst happens is I give back. Yeah, give back. That's okay. So yeah, that candle closed at 53, and I didn't get in until 57. If I had gotten in at 53, I could have got, well, still didn't go 5. Down it went. In fact, we're talking 5 points here after the bell. Shows you how choppy of a day it is. Uh, you still need a. I think I found one, Leo, if you need it. Another pop up here. Big candle though. I don't like that. We've topped out here quite a few times in this area. Doesn't have much room. But of course it worked. That would have gave me a quick 5. Pulling back again. Just chop, chop, chop. Pulling back to the 20. What's your 20? Yep, as Nightbot's reminding everybody, tonight is the end of the Apex flash sale once again. Unless they extend it. Apex now has Tradovate, if Tradovate's your thing. Hey, Ace. Ace is long ES. ES says, sorry, Ace. Good. Trying to bounce here. Nope. Pow. Pow, pow, pow. In about 8 minutes. You can see the countdown. We also have a bit of news in 8 minutes as well. Something, wholesale inventories or something, something, something. Yes, wholesale inventories. That's it. Hey, Avi. I just don't like chewing stops. The flavor is just not good. Yeah, so far the market's not doing hardly anything, Avi. So, he testifies again tomorrow, but I don't know what different he can say tomorrow that he's from today, so. Really? Hard to believe that much gum gets chewed. And all of it ends up at the bottom of someone's shoe. We're long here. Off that trigger, off that last candle. Again, I'm late, as usual. 5 out of point. Ooh, right back down. stops right below the 100 and the 20. 5 points. At this point, I'm just playing with a 5-point stop. With a 5-point target. In other words, get up the target. Not Walmart, Target. There we go. There's a winner. Oops, we don't need the 68 there. Let's do 87. We're back in the green. Thanks, JC. And right back down. So that was luck again. Took that long, got it on that wick, and it ended up being a down red candle. 5-point scalps has been the name of the game today. Ace, did your long work out? I didn't know where you entered. Pull one back. I could have got 5 points off the reversal there as well. Looks like it's trying to push down here. So are we all ready for the PAL? Let's see if PAL decides to become a stop hunter. A drawdown killer. Natural born drawdown killer. There we go. So there's the... No, still a minute away. Yeah, whoa. Okay. Can't be talking that fast. Wow. I don't think that was wholesale inventories that did that. Boom, 30 points down that quick. New low a day. ES down by 8. Fed's balance. The totality of the incoming data indicates that faster tightening is required. We are prepared to accelerate rate hikes. We will continue to work until the job is completed. Wow, 51 points down. We are falling fast. I wish I was short. Really wish I was short. I thought about it, honestly. Look at this fall. How it looks on the hourly. It's given back all of today, all of yesterday, and now part of Friday. Low from Friday, 39.75-ish on ES. And Q, 12.023. So it's got a ways to go before lows of Friday. But that was a quick drop. 51 followed by 22. So that's 73 points down on NQ. It's still going here. Down to 12.240. So our range has definitely increased. C, gold. Wow. Look at this drop on gold. Huge range now today on gold. Ultra bond, big drop. New low of day there. Crude oil, wow. Another big drop. New low of day there. Natural gas didn't care much. It came down a little bit. Copper, big glow. Look at that. Wow, look at the euro. I take it, JC, that he killed your euro trade. All the indices are down. I mean, all the currencies are down. Even agriculture, he killed everything. Excuse me 1 second. Oh, nice chase. Sid. Very nice. I have trouble entering on a trend. Every time I seem to enter on a trend, it seems to like it's like that's where it stops or it decides to do a quick pullback. I mean, on a trend like something moving fast like this. Yep, there's a quick pop. Once you pop, you can't stop. I used that joke already today, didn't I? Our ATR jumped from like 3 to 14 that quick. Cat's yelling at me. Oh boy. Still coming down. See if he's still. Continuous policy rate increases are likely appropriate in order for stance to be sufficiently restrictive to get inflation back to 2% over time. Fed funds futures are now pricing in a half-point rate hike for March. U.S. short-term interest rate futures drop after Fed Chair Powell says rates may need to go higher and faster. There is a long way to go in bringing inflation back down, and the road is likely to be bumpy. Nice job, Sid. NQ down to 12,200. Now, I have noticed in trends, if you get a green, like a downtrend, if you get a green candle followed by a red candle, it's usually safe to take the next can short. I could have done that there. Since I know nothing about options, Kevin, I assume that's good. So we broke 12,200. ES down to 40.16. Got a long way to go. Trying to stay under 12,200. ES down to 40.14. Nice job, Kevin. Short here. Target hit. That's a $200 winner. 10 points. Wow, and it bounced. I'm getting lucky today. We're up 282 now in the day. And wow, talk about lucky again. It went 2 more points and then bounced. Oh, nice. Great, yeah, great catch on that bounce there. I mean, good play for me as well, and I didn't take it. Wasn't fast enough. Uh-oh. Tradovate live front end service is down. I just completed a trade with no problem, but both Top Step and Elite Trader Funding is announcing this, and I just traded. I just performed a trade with no issue. Now I'm scared to take another trade. I could switch over to a NinjaTrader account. I think Pal's done talking. No new headlines have popped. Is anyone watching it? Good morning, Glitch. Another great trade, Sid. Just think, you didn't think you're gonna get the trade today, Sid. Need to thank your wife for being sick. Oh, yep, Tradovate is down. It's no longer updating my live chart. Well, that's not good. Stopped updating 3 minutes ago. So, okay. No problem. No problem at all. We can't take any trades right now, at least until I get a NinjaTrader ready. There we go. Okay, so we're going to NinjaTrader. On the Apex account. Awesome, Chase. Have you taken a trade on him yet? Are you asking or telling me, Glitch? Okay, thank you. I didn't see any new headlines, so I thought maybe he shut up already. I appreciate that. Watching for an entry here. Kind of consolidating here right around 12,200 ES, right around 40.19. Yeah, I'm not quite sure. I've gotten lucky a couple of times. Just one second. Ouch. Sorry to hear about your face, JC. Yeah, Tradovate's down, guys. Do not use Tradovate. It seems like the more people that, like, they're adding more and more people to Tradovate, and it's causing more and more issues. You had to think that once NinjaTrader got a hold of it, it was going to have issues. Sid, I'm not sure whether or not it's affecting their actual brokerage customers or not. A lot of times these companies don't put in the same infrastructure upgrades to their paper trading servers as they do for their actual paying brokerage customers. Because I know with Rhythmic, when everyone's complaining about those Rhythmic issues with the data feed, the live data feed that actually goes to the actual live server usually is not having any problems. So I don't know. I mean, I can't tell you what the extent of this outage is, but that's just how I know that's how it is with Rhythmic. Nice move, bouncing. Easy for me to say. Bouncing back up here, back up to 12,256. Excuse me. Okay, back. Got a red here. Red candle. Let's see if we can go red to green. Oops. Hi, Burrow. Well, Tradovate's all frozen, but I'm up before it froze. I up 282 on that account. Powell sent the market down hard. Absolutely. UB popping up there. So everything's trying to recover now. Back down. Down to the 20. See if it breaks back down. Haven't heard of Rhythmic having trouble, and well, I hope not because I switched to Apex now that my Tradovate's totally frozen. So it's just Tradovate, not CQG. Okay. We're long here. Nope, it's coming back down. So Apex is going to stop out there for a $200 loss. One time I take the actual trade that I'm supposed to take and it doesn't work. Of course. Hey, Burl, speaking of swinging, are you still doing the podcast? Wow, me and H just asked the same question. It's trying to bounce up again here. Indecisive. Yep, very choppy again. Very choppy. When's my renewal on Apex? Yep, pushing up. Trying again to push up. Failing again. Oh, there we go. Wow, there we go. That was a beautiful move. So I should have got back in. I didn't. And wow, that's a nice 22-point candle. It's an actual podcast, guys. You can get it wherever you get your podcasts, Apple, Spotify, etc. But just swinging it can cause you to get some interesting other results when you search for it. There's Ace with the link. Also be able to find the link anytime he posts a new one. He's welcome to post it on the MightyOxTrading Discord, and you'll be able to find links there as well. So there's our rise up. It just came after stopping me out first. So 50 points in 3 minutes. I guess we should have all seen that coming. Wow, big move back up to 12, almost it's back up to 12,300. In the year 4040. I don't know. Got just shy of 12,300 and bouncing down. It's also sitting right on its 100 EMA. There it goes. Trying again. Trying again. Broke 12,300. So, of that move down, it's gained a little more than half. Yes, yes they do, Burl. Yep, you have to have almost have to have solid targets. Gordon, Darryl Martin did say end of day is coming to Apex. I don't know when, but I'm assuming they're going to be more expensive. But I mean, if they're constantly doing 80% off, I don't think that matters. Up, actually, Tradovate Personal is also down. So this is a full Tradovate outage, even for their actual brokerage customers, apparently. So we did break the 100, continuing up. ES hitting at its 100. Okay, Good luck on that, Sid. That bullish engulfing there on ES, if I had taken that on NQ, I could have grabbed 10 points. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Gray? Yellow. That's 100. The 100, it's the 100 when it's downsloping is yellow, and brown when it's upsloping. See, ES is flirting with this 100. Going short with Sid here. But on NQ. Should have went at the start of this candle, but hey. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on. Come on, baby. It'll bounce back up. Come on. There we go. My stops move the break even. Trailing. There we go. Come on. Pushing. Pushing down. Look at that beautiful move. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Nice, Sid. I'm still in this with with this contract. I'm up 16 points so far. Looks like, yep, knocked me out there. That was a 16-point winner, $320. Entered 12,300 exactly, out 12,284 quarter. Thank you, Leo. Thank you, Sid. So now my P&L up at the top really, the P&L you see up at the top was on the ETF account. Now if you add Apex to it now, because I did lose a trade on Apex first, then got this winner. I'm up about $400 total now on the day. 4 wins, 2 losses. It's very true. Guys, if you haven't seen the video on John Burrell's Journal X software, it's a great journaling software. I did an interview with John the other night, posted it up. It's a great journaling software. You can do multiple accounts with it, and it's one low, very low, affordable price instead of a monthly subscription like a lot of these journaling softwares are. You should check it out. I can put the link to the video. The price on the software itself is just $30, but with the coupon code MOT, M-O-T, you get $5 off, so it's only $25. Give me 1 second while I find that video. There it is. Excellent job, Sid. Here's the link about Journal X from John Burrell. Yep, it's still going. Yeah, I'm down to the 20 on NQ, so we'll see if it bounces. Seriously, journaling is important, and this is a great, very affordable option for people that want to journal but don't want to pay a monthly subscription. It's simple yet powerful. And like I said, a lot of these subscriptions you can only do one account. If you have multiple accounts, you end up needing multiple subscriptions. This one you can decide to do as many accounts as you want. Thank you, Sid. Yeah, considering that that was a totally impromptu video. I did not expect to be doing an interview that night, so I was like, and John came to me with this idea, and I'm like, okay, let's do a video tomorrow. He's like, I'm gonna be kind of busy tomorrow, so I'm like, okay, give me 10 minutes to set up my software. Green's good though, Glitch. And considering this is a PAL day, green is a definite big win on a PAL day. Thank you, Glitch. Thank you, Pearl. ES broke its 23 4 candles ago, so if I had listened to the ES on its 20 break, I would have been getting right back in that trade and could have got another. Look at it fall. So we went down to 12,180 all the way back up to 12,318, and now we're back down under 12,250. Strong candle down here, down 20 points on this 1 minute candle. 15 minutes ago on the stream. It's been a successful stream. I need more days like this. Uh, yeah, that's not the right one. Wait. Ace posted 2 links. I think the second one was right. Hold on, let me go check it out. Uh, he posted the one for Apple. Um, Give me a second. I have a direct link here. I think I just gotta go to Burl's Discord here. Oh, you know what? I'm an idiot. I can just go to his Twitter. Okay, well, here's the spot. Okay, good. I'm gonna post the Spotify and the Apple link. It's available on Spotify, Breaker, Anchor, Radio Public, Pocket Cast, Google Podcast, iTunes, and Apple Podcasts. There's a little bounce. Trend line. I'm not good with trend lines. My buy entry. I mean, here, down here, or is that where you, oh, so you're saying that? Big pop back up. I'm on a couple of those podcasts, JC. Usually on with CFT though, back when CFT loved us all. Back up to the 100 here on NQ. I haven't even looked at the Ultra Bond lately. Ultra Bond made a nice little move up. Speaking of Ultra Bond, pulling back there. Yeah, there was a debate about micros and such. That was back before he took it so seriously. Bouncing off the 100, coming back down. Went down to that trend line Sid told me to draw. Just trying. 15 seconds on this candle. Stayed slightly above it. Damn it. It's trying to come back down. Another break. Whoa, I just took that trade. I'm in profit, breaking down. 12,240. Oh yeah, look at that, baby. Look at that. Come on. Continue on. Look at that. Go. Boom. Out. We got in at 12,248. Out at 12,232. So that's another 16-point winner. Bam. I need days like this every day. We're up 430 on the Apex account. That doesn't include commissions. Looks like it's about $12 in commissions, so about $418 on Apex, 282 on ETF. So let's see, 418 plus 282. We're up $700 exactly today. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Sid. Thank you for the trend line suggestion. Thank you, Lafta, Speed Racer, Burl, JC. It's still trying to come down. Our low down here was 180. Stretching. Yes, I'm a very happy ox. I was not a happy ox yesterday after blowing up the fast track, and I was really starting to question myself again, which is a regular weekly thing. But let's see, is Tradovate working yet? I mean, I'm not gonna take any more trades on Tradovate, but oh wow. So Tradovate, like, nope, I'm logged out of Tradovate. It logged me out. I knew you were gonna get it right eventually, there, Sid. I considered taking that short right here. Bounced off the 20 in that trend line. It's only come down about 5 points though. Hey Hassan, you do good today or bad today or not trade today? Every time I see Hassan, I think gold. Oh wow, gold continued to fall. So this range on gold here is at 37 points on the day, then just straight down from Europe opening down. Ultra Bond's been all over the place. Look at crude oil. Crude oil really fell as well. It's bouncing. Natural gas really doesn't care. Copper at its low. So guys, we're getting into a very volatile a few days starting on Friday. Friday starts non-farm payroll. Then Tuesday is CPI and Wednesday is PPI. So 3 out of 4 days there, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we have huge economic news coming out. Powell's supposed to be testifying again tomorrow in front of a new, different committee. I don't think anything he says tomorrow is going to have the same impact, just because I don't think it's going to be any different. But I don't know for sure, and I want to know for sure. Sorry. So what a great day for once here on the MightyOx Trading live stream. I need a day like this every day, preferably without the Tradovate crash though. Yep, still coming down. Hassan, did you do anything today? There's keep continuing to come down. Guys, I want to thank everyone for watching today. It's been a good day. I'm a happy ox. Uh, let's continue this tomorrow, shall we? Do you want to thank everyone for joining me? We'll be right back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern. No videos tonight that I'm aware of, unless I come up with something to make, but no more fast track videos for now. So we'll see you all tomorrow. I do want to thank everyone. Have a great rest of your day. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.